Okay, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to tell the time. Okay, how to tell the time. So as you can see here, I have 6 clock already with different time. Okay, so let's see one by one. Start from the first one. Before that, I want to ask you, do you know which one is hour hand and do you know which one is minute hand? Okay, so I remind you again one more time. Hour hand is the short hand. Hour hand is the short hand. Minute hand is the long hand. Minute hand is the long hand. So, same with this. Hour hand is the short hand. Minute hand is the long hand. Okay, so let's go back here. We want to tell the time from this clock. Okay, when we want to tell the time, you have to remember, you have to start from the short hand. You have to start from the short hand. So you see the short hand here. What time does the short hand point? This number, right? The short hand point here. So it means that this number. Okay, so we're going to write 5 here. Okay, don't forget to put dot. Okay, so now the second is the minute hand or the long hand. But for the minute hand, you don't see the number here and then you write it directly. May not. For the minute hand, we have to count 5 by 5. Start from here. So you can recall back your multiplication 5. Okay, so this one, the long hand point at here. So we count from here to here. We count it as 5. So we can say this one is 5, 0, 5. One thing you have to remember is may not put one number only at the back. So you may not write it become 5, 5. This is wrong. Okay. Next, let's go to the second question. Same, start from the short hand. The short hand point here in the middle. So if the short hand point in the middle, we take the number B4. We take the number B4. So this one become 2. Put dot. Now, let's count the minute hand. The minute hand until here. So same also, we have to start to count 5 by 5, start from here. Okay, so let's count together. 5. And then from here to here, 10. And then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we have the minute is 35. So we write it here. Okay, got it? Okay, let's go to the next example. Same, start from the shorthand. The shorthand is pointing in the middle. So we take the number before is 7. So we write 7 here and put dot. Okay, now let's count the long hand. The long hand, we have to count 5 by 5. Start from here. Start from here. Okay, we are going to count 5, 10, 15, 20. So the long hand until here, so we also stop until here. So the minute is 20. So we write it 20. Okay, let's go to the next example. Start from the shorthand. The shorthand is pointing here, but be careful. This one not yet 12. Almost 12, but not yet 12. So we write the number before. It is 11. Okay, now let's count the minute hand. Same also, start from here. We want to count 5 by 5. Let's start. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, so the long hand stop here, so our counting also stop at 50. So we write here 50. Okay, let's continue here. Same also, we have to start from the short hand. So the short hand is pointing here. So we have to take the number before. It is 7. Now let's count the minute hand. Same, start from here. And we are going to count 5 by 5. Let's start. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So the minute stop at here, it means that 45. So we write here 45. Okay, the last question. Remember, always start from the hour hand. The hour hand point here. Remember, this one not yet 9, only almost 9. So we take the number before. It is 8. Okay, let's count the minute. Start from here until here, but we have to turn from there. Okay, let's start. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So done. The long hand stop until here, so it means that the minute is 55. And you're done. Do you understand? If you have any question, please ask your teacher. Okay?